Indian Army not only safeguards the border, but yes, when it comes to the disaster management or the flash flood like situation, these are the men who comes forward for the rescue operation. We are going to show you the operation Hifazat of the Indian Army, which is being conducted in Nowshera district. You can see there has been a surveillance of the helicopter which have been pressed in. There is a demonstration where you can see they have shown that there is a one place where the people are stuck over here in the flash flood like situations, and there are many houses in which the people are being stuck. But now Indian Army has been called in so that the rescue operation could be conducted. You can see the multiple drones have also been come to surveillance this area when it comes to the flash flood or the cloud burst like situations we have seen in Jammu Kashmir, whether it was during the Amarnath Yatra when cloud burst occurred. Last year also we have seen many areas flash flood like situation had occurred, and many of the people were rescued by the Indian Army. And today we are going to show you the exercise of the Indian Army. Over here you can see the multiple drones are being used by the Indian Army to surveillance this area, and after that the rescue operation is being conducted by with the coordination of Indian Army as well as the SDRF, NDRF, and this exercise is also named as Operation Hifazat. Now we are going to show you one of the demonstration of exercise Hifazat. Look at these visuals. This is the Indian Army chopper, and there is a situation that one of the people are being stuck in this particular area where they can't move, and the flow of the river is very much. And now with the help of this chopper of the Indian Army, how this rescue operation will be conducted. And now you can see this is the demonstration which is being conducted by the Indian Army. One of the people who is being stuck over here, and there is a situation which has been created over here. We have seen in the past also how Indian Army has done these types of rescue operations in Jammu and Kashmir when it comes to that disaster management. And this is the chopper of the Indian Army. And look, this is not an easy operation when it comes to the rescue operation. And look at that, look at the topography and the terrain of this particular area. One of the group is being stuck over here, and now with the help of the rope, and you can see how he will be rescued with the help of the rope and the chopper. Look at this, and you can see one of the co-pilot is over there, and now the rescue operation has started. He has been pulled with the help of the rope. It is not easy without thinking of their life. They are the one who always come forward, always helps the people, always come forward for the rescue operation. This is the chopper of the Indian Army, which is showcasing this demonstration during the flash flood like situation, during the cloud burst like situation, how Indian Army come forward and how these men are prepared for any type of situation in Jammu Kashmir when it comes to the counter-terrorism, when it comes to the disaster management like situation, cloud burst like situation, flood flash like situation. And they are the men who always and they are the men who always are ready for any type of challenges in Jammu and Kashmir, or when it comes to the disaster management like situation or flood like situation in Jammu and Kashmir. For the rescue operations to drop the food packets over here during 2014 also, when flash flood occurred in Jammu and Kashmir, we have seen how Indian Army came to the forward for the rescue operation of the people. And now we are going to show you the chopper over here which will drop the food packets, and this is a situation situation when the flash flood occurs or the cloudburst occurs. We have seen in 2014, we have seen last year also, we have seen during the Amarnath Yatra also, and now you can see this is the Indian Army chopper which will drop the food packets for the people to at least they get some relief over here. And this shows not only in Jammu Kashmir Indian Army fight against the terrorism, but when it comes to the rescue operations, they are the one who fight against, who also saves the lives of the people during the flash flood like situation in Jammu and Kashmir. And this operation is known as Operation Hifazat. This showcases how Indian Army come forward for the common people of Jammu and Kashmir, so for the people of Jammu and Kashmir. And these are the brave hearts of the Indian Army. And you can see the food packets are being dropped from the heli so that the people gets the food in the flood like situations, and if they are stuck over here they can get at least some of the reliefs. And this operation exercise is being conducted at the Nowshera. We have seen recently also how the flood cloudburst occurred in the district Kishtwar, and these are the men who come forward for the rescue operations of the people and saves the people's life. We are showing you the Operation Hifazat, and when it comes to the disaster management, these are the brave hearts of India, the Indian Army, and they are always there for the nation when it comes to the rescue operations in Jammu and Kashmir or in other states of the India. And you can see there is a demonstration which are being showing that the flow of the water river is very high, the current is very high. And now how human chain is being made by the Indian Army, and by one they are rescuing the people who have stuck over there. This operation is known as Operation Hifazat, and this is being demonstrated by the Indian Army in the Nowshera sector to showcase how Indian Army are ready for any of the challenges when it comes to the disaster management, when it comes to the flash flood like situation, when it comes to the cloudburst like situations. We have seen these types of visuals from the Kashmir Valley. We have seen last year also these types of visuals from the Jammu division. We have seen these types of visuals from the Kishtwar when cloudburst occurred in the Chishoti. And look at this. This is a demonstration. And imagine when it comes to the real-time action, how difficult this operation are. And now you can see with the help of human chain, the people who were stuck in this area, they are being safely evacuated by the Indian Army. And these are the men who not only safeguards our nation, not only fight against the terrorism, but these are the men who came forward when it comes to the rescue operation, when it comes to the disaster management. Now we are going to show you one of the demonstration of exercise Hifazat. Look at these visuals. This is the Indian Army chopper, and there is a situation that one of the people are being stuck in this particular area where they can't move, and the flow of the river, when there is no connectivity and the all over connectivity has been cut off from the main road, how NDRF, SDRF and Indian Army makes the way for the rescue operation. You can see they have made it possible with the help of the zip line. And now another visual which we are going to show you. This is the boat which is of the SDRF team in Nowshera sector, and they are going to show you rescue if they have to rescue the people from one end to the another end of the river when the flow of the river current is very high. And this is the evacuation team which has come forward. Many times you have seen the many visuals during the flash flood and the rescue operation, how these people came forward for the people to the for the rescue operations. And this operation Hifazat is being demonstrated by the Indian Army along with the SDRF and the NDRF to showcase how these operations are very difficult when it comes to the real-time situation. And you can see now that with the help of this tube boat, they are trying to rescue the people from one end to the another end. And on the other way, the people are coming from that side so that they can rescue the people who are stuck in these houses. And the whole rescue operation is being conducted by the Indian Army, SDRF and the NDRF. We have seen in the recent also how cloudburst occurred in the Kishtwar district. Now it's time to demonstrate as Amarnath Yatra will start from the 3rd May, and before that they are conducting exercise which is known as the Hifazat. And you can see they have reached the bank of the river, and now they will rescue the person who has stuck over there. And with the help of the rope, they will first fix this tube boat, and then the team or the two buddies of this team has come with the people who has got some injuries, and now he will be rescued with the help he will be rescued by the help of the NDRF and the Indian Army. During 2014, we have seen a massive flash flood, cloudburst like situations in Jammu and Kashmir, and many of the areas were cut off. Last year also we have seen in the Jammu division how flash flood occurred. We have seen cloudburst in the Kishtwar. We have seen the cloudburst in the Amarnath Yatra track. But yes, there is a massive operations which has been led by the Indian Army, by the SDRF and the NDRF. Indian Army not only operates in Jammu and Kashmir when it comes to the counter-terrorism, but yes, they also rescues the people when it comes to the flash flood-like situations or the cloudburst-like situations. And look at these visuals. These visuals make you proud how Indian Army operates in Jammu and Kashmir in this difficult terrain. And you look at this, how Indian Army conducts the operation, and this is the Indian Army, and everyone is proud of them because these are the one who not only safeguard our border nation, but they also safeguard and helps the people when it comes to the rescue operation.
इस कार्रवाई में अलग अलग जगह पर पुलिस, ट्रैफिक पुलिस, सिविल डिफेंस वॉलंटियर्स और होम काम दिया जाता है। बाढ़ से जिन इलाकों के ज्यादा प्रभावित होने की संभावना होती है, उन्हें पहले से ही आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया जाता है। यह जानकारी पिछली घटित आपदा की जानकारी और जमीनी बनावट से प्राप्त होती है। पुलिस और सिविल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के दस्ते राहत कार्य के लिए तैयार हो जाते हैं। आप देख सकते हैं कल्ले गांव से अधिकतर लोगों को निकालकर रिलीफ कैंप ले जाया जा रहा है। जब तक इवैक्यूएशन की ये कार्रवाई हो रही थी,